So I'll be showing you how to watch TikTok live videos in picture-in-picture mode on your Samsung or Android phone. Okay, so all you need to do is go to TikTok and then find a live video that you're watching. Make sure it's open. So let me pick this random video for instance. So what you need to do is, with the video playing, tap on the share icon in the bottom right corner and then select background player. And then you can either choose to only have the audio playing or the picture-in-picture mode. So select picture-in-picture and then you can hit back, and then with the video playing, just hit on the home button and that video will continue playing in picture-in-picture mode. You can move it anywhere on the screen that you want, okay, like that. And then you can continue using your phone as usual. You can go to Instagram, for instance. You can use other apps. You can go to the main settings page, change a couple of things. You can just use your phone as usual. If you want to tap on something here, then you can first move this here and do whatever you need to do. Okay, now from this picture-in-picture window, you can tap on it to mute. If you want to mute it for some time, you can bring back the sound. You can go to settings, you can expand it to full screen, you can close. In the settings, it takes you to this page where you can actually enable or disable picture-in-picture mode. Okay, so to close this, or you can either go back to the TikTok app, or you can simply tap on it to close. And that's basically how to use or how to watch TikTok live videos using picture-in-picture mode on your Samsung or Android phone. Thanks for watching and good luck.